Munro, and in which there is a rayat means farmer. And in this one, if I talk about direct contract between farmer and Britishers. Third, farmers are owner. Like in Jamindari system, I said that farmers are not supposed to be the owner. Farmers are owner. Fourth, I said that dry land, one it is in a dry land and another is I said that irrigated land. From the dry land they are taking 50% of the tax, and from the irrigated land they are taking the 60% of the produce. Understood? And at times it has been also said, I said that if the productivity is more, it depends upon the fertile land. It also depends upon fertile land. And then we can be able to see like it is in the Bombay presidency, and in the parts of Madras presidency. Understood? This Rayatwari system. Who has started it? I said that Cornwallis. और इससे पहले लोग less they are paying to their rulers. पहले rulers हुआ करते थे. Yes or not? They are paying 1/5, 1/6. These are the things that they are paying. But suddenly you are able to see they started asking a lot. और इसकी वजह से अब कोई फिक्स नहीं है कि कितना पे करना है, लेकिन जो भी आएगा इसके पास आएगा 1/11, इसके पास जाएगा 10/11. इसका मतलब बीच में जमींदार जितना भी एग्जेक्शन करे, ये इसी के कारण से एग्जेक्शन डिमांड स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग. लाठी वाले जो भेज दिए, एंड देन दे आर आल्सो पुटिंग. और जिस बंदे को भेजते थे देयर इंटरमीडियरीज आर आल्सो देयर, उनको भी पे करना, क्योंकि जमींदार अपने साथ में क्या रखता था, लोगों को, those who are taking what is a tax from the people, and then they are also being paid. So there is a lots of exaction. And then there is a Mahalwari. And it is started in 1833. And it is started Rayatwari in 1820. Rayatwari it is in what? 1820. 18 and Jamindari it is, I said that 1893. 1893. Or sorry, 1793 by Cornwallis, and through the permanent land settlement, and then 1833 Mahalwari, and we have been able to see like and this time William Bentinck. Understood? Under the William Bentinck, I said that in this one there is a group of farmers or sometimes villagers, इनको कहा गया महल. This is known as what? The mahal. And mahal is taking the collective tax. Mahal is taking the what? Collective tax. They are taking what? Giving, I said that collective tax. And this is अब इसके बाद आ गया इसके बीच में intermediaries जो लेगा ये, क्योंकि Britishers are not doing anything directly. Intermediaries, and now the intermediaries are giving it to the what it is, Britishers. So again it is an exploitation. Britishers, or it is in the region of Punjab, Western UP, and the parts of Rajasthan and all. Understood? Mahalwari system. So we have been able to see these are the three types of what I said that land revenue system. इसके वजह से again the farmers का agricultural structure has been changed. समझ में आ चुका, याद हो गया? Who has started रैयत वारी? रात में मुन्नी भाई. And इसमें किसके बीच में था? There is a direct contact between farmer and Britishers. And then farmers say farmer were the owner, but यहाँ पे कोई ownership नहीं है. Understood? There is no ownership. And then I said that यहाँ पे farmers are owners, and from the dry land how much that tax they are taking? 50%, and from the irrigated land they are taking how much? 60%. And if the land is further more fertile, accordingly they used to take the tax. Understood? Bombay Madras Presidency. And the Punjab side, Western UP, you will be able to see Mahalwari. Mahal is in a group of farmers in a region or villagers. I said that Mahal, that is known as they are collecting the collective tax and giving it to the intermediaries, and finally Britishers are taking, and then it is in the Punjab and Western UP. So we have been able to see this system. और ये जैसे ही ये जो new land revenue system which has been introduced in the different parts of India, that they started putting what I said that farmers under the water loss, every kind of loss. वो आप लोगों ने देख रखा है what kind of problems the farmers are facing. So this is the land revenue system. So what I said that colonial economic policies, and then we have been able to see that I said that small scale industries which has been I said that lost, and that led to the what is the crowding, and then we have seen agrarian policy. And then the agrarian policy means new land revenue system, colonial administrative and judicial system. और administrative system और judicial system अपने आप में एक लोगों के बीच में क्या बना रखा था? डर. Understood? And then they can be able to put behind the jail, and then there is an imprisonment, and all these things are there. And judicial system, it is also in the favor of always biased toward the Britishers. So therefore these four factors are I said that has what I said that transformed the agrarian structure of India, and then made it complete impoverishment. Understood? And we can be able to see, थोड़ा सा लाइन में आप लोग देखेंगे, आप लोग पढ़ चुके होंगे, peasantry suffered from, पता ही आपको, illegal levies, पता आपको, arbitrary eviction, बेदखली, unpaid labor, hurry and begar. In jamindari areas, in rayatwari areas, government itself levied heavy land revenue. कितना land revenue? और यदि fertile है तो it can be more. So these are the things we have seen the jamindari areas, and rayat area may itself a heavy tax. This is clear. And now अब हम लोग आ जाते हैं, हम लोग देख चुके हैं कि who is also causing it is changing the agriculture, money lenders, the overburdened farmers. बर्डन फार्मर्स, इतना सारा टैक्स पे करना है तो ऑलरेडी बर्डन हो गए, और इसके लिए वो किस पे डिपेंड हो जाते थे? मनी लेंडर पे. सो देयर इज एन फेयरिंग लॉस ऑफ हिज ओनली सोर्स ऑफ लिवलीहुड ऑफन अप्रोच द मनी लेंडर, क्योंकि जमीन ब्रिटिशर्स न ले ले, द मनी लेंडर से पैसा लेते थे. ऑफन द फार्मर हैड टू मॉर्गेज हिज land and cattle, and so many times you will study the story of I said that प्रेमचंद, cattle and all. अब कई बार ऐसा सिचुएशन होता था कि मतलब cattle was like their family member. If you'll go earlier, आज के डेट में we become more economically, so earlier cattle was like a family member, and several movies has been also formed on it. क्योंकि लोगों को, बच्चों को, मेरे भी किड्स दो हैं, कभी कभी मैं खुद डॉग पे I said that go, तो सडनली पापा, मेरी छोटे से बच्ची 3 साल की है, तो पापा नो गुस्सा, मैं उनको बोलता हूँ तो, और दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. कभी भी यदि मेरी वाइफ से समटाइम्स आई एम डिस्कसिंग ऑन द सम पॉइंट, और उनको लगा कि मैं गुस्सा कर रहा हूँ, पापा दोनों के दोनों आके दे विल, पापा आप गुस्सा कर रहे हो, नो. So I said that the farmers had to mortgage his land and cattle. They have a very love for their what is an आप सोचो कि it is not an एक लाइफ में एक उनका लिए उस समय की सिचुएशन को देखोगे, it is an a very heart touching moment was there. Loss of their hand, mortgage his hand means land, हैंड देने का मतलब क्या है, अपने पूरी चीजों को दे देना और आप उनके यहाँ फोर्स लेबर बन जाओ। कैटल समटाइम द मनी लेंडर्स इज द मॉर्गेज बिलोंगिंग, जितने भी थे वो भी हो जाता था। सिचुएशन बिकम, बंगाल का सिचुएशन और भी अलग होता। ग्रेजुअली ओवर लार्ज एरियाज एक्चुअल कल्टिवेटर्स रिड्यूस्ड एंड देन अब वो क्या बन गए, वो दे आर द लैंड ओनर, दे बिकम टेनेंट, money lender. This situation changed the situation, yes or not? Money lenders make the farmer to be tenant. They are the owner and they become tenant. Understood? Sometimes आप, मैं खेती करूंगा, आप इतना लेना and I'll take this one, sharecroppers. और आज भी आप देखते होंगे it is in the form of sharecroppers and landless laborers. और आज के डेट में इंडिया में बहुत सारे landless laborers घूमते हैं. The situation has been become, I said that one it is in a zamindari system, one it is in a rayatwari system, and one it is, I said that money lender has made the farmers to be what, or farmer, landowner farmer to be what, tenants and sharecroppers. And then हमने देखा peasants often resisted the exploitation and soon they realized their real enemy is which one? Colonial rule. Understood? Sometimes the disparate peasants took क्राइम टू एंड ऑल, जो आपने देखा होगा क्राइम के रूप में कैसा देखा था अभी यूपी किसान सभा, you have seen they have taken the what is in a criminal kind of attitude, looting and all. Yes, so this situation has been called, and then crimes included robbery, dacoity and what has been called the social banditry. So ये situation impoverishment का था and that has been done due to the colonial. So peasantry was a direct result of transformation of agrarian structure. The impoverishment of peasantry, what is the reason? Colonial rule, completely okay. Economic policy, completely okay. Economic policy, industrial policy, and then mercantilism and all. And then we have been able to see agrarian new land revenue system, and then administrative and judicial system of Britishers. उसके बाद हमने देखा रैयतवारी, इसके अंडर में रैयतवारी, जमींदारी and money lender. These are the three things which has, याद हो गया आपको? Can you write an answer on it? Why I said that this impoverishment in the Indian peasantry was sustaining? It is only, I said that, change in the agricultural structure. Understood it? Now the changed nature of, I said that, peasant movement after 1857. और ये सारी चीजें आप पढ़कर आप कर लोगे. वीकनेसेस में क्या था? लैक ऑफ एन एडिक्वेट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कॉलोनियलिज्म, ये जानते ही नहीं थे. तो ये सारा चीज़ है, इसको आप लोग पढ़ लेंगे. एंड लैंड रेवेन्यू सिस्टम मैंने आपको रैयतवारी, जमींदारी एंड देन महलवारी आई मेड इट टू अंडरस्टैंड. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड विद द पीसेंट मूवमेंट. अंडरस्टूड? एंड टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स इन द नेक्स्ट 2-3 days में हम लोग फिनिश करेंगे. आई सेड दैट Anglo-Mysore, how do the Mysore Empire finished? How do the Maratha Empire finished? How do the Bengal Nawab finished? Awadh finished? Punjab finished? And this has been covered, the whole. And then I'll come on to the 1857 revolution. और यहाँ से गाड़ी आप लोग का सारे नोट्स आपके हैं. And I'll tell you to come after reading. उसके बाद I'll take 10 to 15 days and I'll finish the modern. Understood it? क्योंकि आपको बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर दे चुका हूँ कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मॉडर्न इंडिया. एंड सबसे हार्डेस्ट थिंग ये चीजें होती हैं जिसमें पहली चीज तो याद रखना होता है और है कहाँ पर. क्लियर? यदि आप लोगों ने कभी हार्ड वर्क किया होगा और दोज स्टूडेंट हु हैज गिवन द मेंस, दे मस्ट बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई हैव गिवन टू यू. सो वी विल मीट.